Welcome to the Market Minute. Nifty, Banknifty and SENSEX in a minute. Let's go to the charts.
For daily analysis, we'll be looking at only two time frames, which is daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we are on daily chart for Nifty. As you can see, the close is around 23,123, and the daily chart basically is a pin bar rejection candle from the earlier support of 23,250, which is indicating weaker trend. But let's see on the 4 hours chart. So on the 4 hours chart, basically this was a gap down opening, and then from there market recovered. But from the important level of 23,250 has taken rejection from the earlier support, which was 23,250, which now acted as a resistance and now is around 23,100. So for tomorrow, I'm expecting Nifty to be within the range of 23,100 or 23,070 to 23,250. But let's validate the same with option chain. So I've considered two expiries here, and if you can see, there is a heavy call rating at 23,500, which basically is a heavy resistance. But as you can see, a resistance continues until 23,200, which basically matches with the analysis that we have done on chart. And if you can see on the lower side, major support is around 23,000. Okay, now let's look at Bank Nifty. So if you can see, the daily chart of Bank Nifty is relatively stronger than Nifty. So, and it did not even break the lower range of the support that we had, which was 53,800. And we were discussing this already, that if Bank Nifty opened gap down, it would be the first to recover sooner. So let's go to 4 hours chart now. So on the 4 hours chart, basically it was a gap down and then it recovered from there. But there was a slight selling from the top. But I would still consider Bank Nifty relatively stronger than Nifty. But it is within the range. Again, this is also within the no trade zone of basically the resistance being 54,500 and the support being 53,800. So now let's validate this with option chain. So here, let me open Bank Nifty option chain. So monthly expiry. So as you can clearly see, option chain is clearly indicating sideways market. So basically there is a lot of call writing and put writing. And if you see from the charts as well, we have seen Bank Nifty is relatively stronger, which means there are more number of puts written than call. But on a broader perspective, this is indicating sideways market. It would maybe go 200 points either above or below. So that's the view on Bank Nifty.
If you enjoyed this video, please show your support, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update.